From your Discord, click on User Settings. In this left-hand menu, select Connections. Click on View More. From this connection list, find out TikTok. Click on that. And now, select our option to connect your TikTok with your Discord. So the best option is select Use QR Code. And now, let's jump into our smartphone. In your smartphone, make sure you have logged into the TikTok account first of all. Okay, now open the camera app on your smartphone and scan this QR code. Tap the link and tap on login. And that's it. Just tap on continue. And as you can see, my TikTok account is now connected with Discord. Now you can close this. And here we can see my TikTok.